There are several occasions where a valve will cause a leaky tire situation. These stems were too long, and the centrifugal force of the tire caused them to break at their edge. In addition, these aluminum rims can tend to become a little corroded around their edges, and this can cause a leak as well. So here I'm sanding the upper edge of that lip in order to make the seal better. Using a little soapy water, I was able to discover that these were the spots where it was happening, but I did clean around the whole thing. Breaking the bead on a tire in a home situation can be a daunting task, if near impossible. So I came up with this method of using a typical scissor jack and the weight of the car to actually bust the bead. The car is on jack stands and secured perfectly. It's just that the spring tension moving down will put enough weight on the jack to actually break this bead, and it does it quite easily and quite amazing actually. I broke the bead near the valve, so while the jack was in its position, it was easy enough to change the valve out. Then I went around and sanded the rim, following up with some soap and water to clean things up. So far, these tires seem to have held air just fine. Sometimes it's just not a matter of a puncture, but tubeless tires rely on the seal at the rim and the valve to actually hold air. Thanks for watching. Watch out for the signs.